Hello all. In this video, I will show you how to install Cisco VPN and configure the profile so that the users can easily choose the connection without entering the connection details each and every time. So let's begin with the Cisco installation. So I already have downloaded Cisco. So now I'm just trying to install this. Accept. Okay, now the Cisco AnyConnect is successfully installed. Let's open that. So this is a Cisco AnyConnect. So here there is no connections actually configured here. So the easiest way is like to create a profile for this. So I'll show you how to create. So this is the profile I created here, and I'm mentioning the connection. These most of the details here should be same for all the connections, but the only thing changes here is the host name, the connection name, and also the connection address. So here you can see these two lines, right? So here what you have to change is like you have to put your connection name here, and here you have to put your VPN domain here, the host address. That's unique for your business, so you just have to put it. Once you created this document, I will put this XML file just in the in my description directly so that you can simply copy and modify based on your requirement. So to easily make this available for the users, so what you have to do is like after the installation, you can create a script and it has to be copied to the program data location. So I will show you how to do. So right now I created this file. So for this to reflect in the connection settings here, what we have to do is like we have to save this XML file to the program data folder. So go to the C drive. Okay, so here the program data folder is actually hidden. So what I have to do here is like I have to go to settings, options, and just select show all hidden files. So now the program data is visible, and here I can see the Cisco folder. So, and yeah, there you go. This is a folder where you have to keep your profile XML file. So I'm just navigating to that particular path here, and here I have to save the VPN profile. So let me save as an XML file here, .xml. Okay, you cannot directly because to copy any files there you need admin rights. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to save this inside the download folder, and then I will copy and paste this and move this to the program data. So let me copy this, copied. Now I go to C drive, program data, Cisco profile, and paste it here. You just have to press continue. So now the profile is pasted. So it will not readily visible here. So first you have to restart the service. I'm just gonna quit this. Now you can see the connection details is already mentioned here, so it's easy I just have to click connect. So this will be very useful in a corporate environment. For example, if you are deploying this to a mass environment, you can simply create this XML file and just using a command prompt, you can simply copy this to the program data and the profile folder, and so that the users can directly get the configuration and much easy. So thank you for your time. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe so that I can put more content like this. I will just put this complete configuration details as a description in the description box, so you can simply copy and create an XML file using this. And just make sure to modify this host name and host address based on your environment so that you can get the right connection details there. And also just verify if these values are matching your organization, but in most cases they should be okay. They should be same. Okay. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.